As Republic TV fake TRP ratings racket has been busted, the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Information Technology has now decided to take up the matter of media ethics, news coverage and the TRP scam issue for discussion next week. This is coming in after Congress MP and the Member of Parliament and the panel as well, Karti Chidambaram, requested Shashi Tharoor to take up this particular issue. Karti Chidambaram has said that the government's advertising expenditure depends on the TRP system and public spending should not be based on flawed data. The Parliamentary Committee on IT has asked the Broadcasters Association, Press Council of India and Prasar Bharati to depose on ethical standards in media coverage. This is going to be followed by the evidence of the representatives of the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting on the same subject.
Government ad spending is based on TRP. So public money is spent based on TRP. So we can't have public money spent on flawed or rigged data. So it's an issue which concerns the public. And in the same instance, even publicly listed companies and private businesses advertise in TV channels based on TRP ratings. And there is public money involved there as well. So any manipulation of data which has an impact on public finances has to be a concern to us. So and since this matter and the overseeing ministry comes under our committee, so we would like to hear from them.
We'll be joining by our reporters in just about a bit for a better perspective on this particular story, but this is a big development that is coming in. The Parliamentary Standing Committee on Information Technology has taken a decision. They're going to be taking up the matter of media ethics, news coverage and TRP scam issue for discussion. All of this action is going to be happening next week. This is of course happening as the Republic TV fake TRP ratings racket has been bust. After all of that, we are seeing a lot of political reactions also coming in. Congress MP and Member of Parliament Karti Chidambaram also requested Shashi Tharoor to take this issue up, and now next week we'll see this meeting where it is going to be discussing this fake TRP scandal. Rahul Srivastav is joining us now for the very latest. Rahul, if you could just put all of this into perspective for us.
This is a meeting of the Standing Committee on Parliament, which is a departmentally related committee. And these committees, in the intervening period between two parliament sessions, hold meetings, one on the bills and other important issues, demand for grants, but also largely about contemporary issues which are critical. And one of the mandates of the departmentally related committee to information technology is information broadcasting. And Chairman Shashi Tharoor has fixed 15th October a meeting in which he has asked National Broadcasters Association, the Press Council, and also Ministry of I&B functionaries and officials to depose before the committee. Now, the topic is broader. The topic is largely ethical media coverage. Now, that also includes the print media, because the Press Council, which has been asked to come, largely deals with the print media and not the broadcasters. Broadcasters have their NBA. But yes, with Mr. Karti Chidambaram and some MPs saying that they are going to raise the TRP issue, what one can say that the TRP issue will reverberate in the Standing Committee meeting. Now, one will have to wait and see what sides do political party members take in that meeting, because the Congress and the opposition has been agreeing that largely the media coverage has been unfavorable to them, biased in favor of the government. But also one needs to see whether the entire Standing Committee will take a stand on something as critical as how media coverage is carried out and how it is panning out in terms of the ongoing controversy.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.